Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about part 4 of the lesson Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Glossary part 4. This is glossary. The other name of glossary can be written also as meanings. And let's see first one. Country, village. The town mouse and the country mouse the town mouse lives in a town and the country mouse lives in a country. So here they are asking the meaning of country. According to the lesson, it is village. Efficiently, lovingly. So in the letter you can see that the town mouse and the country mouse wrote efficiently by country mouse, by town mouse. They wrote. In the place of efficiently, you can also write lovingly. Next, pack. To put clothes etc. in a bag for preparation for a trip away from home. So, the town mouse packed his bags. Packed. The word here packed means put all clothes etc. into a bag for a trip. Uncomfortable, unpleasant. The town mouse felt very uncomfortable in the train to the countryside. So the meaning of unpleasant. Grumble, to complain about something in a bad tempered way. Grumble. The town mouse, in the lesson we have seen that the town mouse grumbled himself, means in his mind he had complained about something bad impression. Next, chug, to move making a sound of engine, or you can easily say that sound of engine. Dreadful, very bad or unpleasant. Next these MCQs. First bit, the town mouse and the country mouse are, first option, friends, cousins, classmates. The answer for the question, this is cousins. At the starting of the lesson we have learned the country mouse and town mouse were cousins. So answer for this is B. Option B. Next, the house of town mouse was a field in a village, a building in a village, a kitchen in a cupboard in a town. So in the lesson we have learned that the house of town mouse is a kitchen cupboard in a town. So the answer for the question is C. Option C. Next, the first one is B and next one is C. Next, third question, fourth question. Only 4 questions are there. The house of town mouse was full of most delicious food, full of sugarcane sandwich, full of coconut water. Where was the town mouse house was? The town mouse house was in the kitchen cupboard. According to the lesson we have seen that. See here, according to the lesson we have seen in the picture here, I'll show you. This is town mouse house and this is full of most delicious food, slabs of chocolates etc. So here the option for the third question is the most delicious food. Answer is A. Next question. At the end of the story, the country mouse went back to his country, stayed in town, visited the town mouse. First option, A. went back to his country, B. stayed in town, C. visited the town mouse. So for the answer is went back to his country is the answer. This is also option A. Next one, the true or false questions we are seeing now. The country mouse lives in a town. So we have seen that the country mouse and town mouse were cousins, and The town mouse lives in town. The town mouse lives in town, and the country mouse lives in country. So the answer for this, so it is true or false if they are asking, it is false. Next, second one, the town mouse felt very comfortable in the train. According to the lesson, the town mouse felt very uncomfortable in the train. So the answer for this also is false. False. Second one is also false. Now let's see third one. It was hot when the town mouse traveled to the countryside. Yeah, it's true, because in the train it was very uncomfortable and the day was bright and sunny. So the third one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one now. The town mouse liked the cooked food. Cooked food. Yeah, it's absolutely right, because in the town we only eat the cooked food, not the raw food, like raw food which is given by the country mouse here. This is true. Fourth one is also true here for us. True. Fourth one. Next, now fifth one we will see. There are more lights, cars and lorries in the town than the village. This is also absolutely true, because according to the lesson, or we can see our daily life also, there will be more cars, lights, lorries in the town but in a village. So this is all about the fourth video. In the further videos we'll be discussing about all bits. Thank you.